Hi guys, Rahim here, and today we will be unboxing the Logitech Combo Touch for iPad Air 3rd generation. So right when you get into the box, you find the keyboard, and then further you have the case itself. And some instructions for how to attach the keyboard and case to the iPad. So some pretty straightforward packaging. And so let's connect it to the iPad. So it just snaps in like that because it's using the smart connector technology. You could see it. So the smart connectors are on the bottom of the keyboard and it just snaps into place. No Bluetooth pairing, you don't really have to connect anything. All you gotta do is just attach the keyboard and that's it. And now let's attach the case. First take out this plastic part and let's connect the case. So this is the iPad. It's actually thicker than a MacBook Pro, so it's pretty thick and it's pretty heavy too, about 2 pounds. And let's open it up and see how it is. So yeah, you have a kickstand and at the back, so you could just put the iPad like that, and then you could type. And then you also have this little holder for the Apple Pencil on top. So all you gotta do is just slide in the Apple Pencil and it fits pretty tightly. It won't fall out or anything. And this will also, you could also put in Logitech's own crayon, which is their own type of stylus. So yeah, this is how the iPad looks. And the keyboard is actually backlit too, so you just turn that on. Yeah, so it's backlit, as you can see. Oh, I gotta turn it on first. So that's backlit. And so it's a nice typing experience. The keys are a little small though, as you would expect from this type of keyboard. And the trackpad experience is actually just really good. And you could use all of Apple's gestures since Logitech and Apple, I assumed, worked closely to develop this product. And yeah, so this could be your laptop replacement. And the Apple Pencil makes a nice experience. So you could note take with the Apple Pencil or with the keyboard. And the case itself, the buttons for for volume and for power are all covered. So the volume button, this is the volume button, and then this is the power button. It's covered. And this case seems like it would withstand drops because it seems like it's pretty sturdy. When you don't want to use the case, all you could do is just take out the keyboard, and you just have the iPad like this. Yeah. So that's it. And yeah, the trackpad is actually decently sized. I thought it would be smaller, and the material and this keyboard and case is made out of actually really good materials. And as I said, it would withstand drops, and the keyboard, it feels and sounds nice, and the trackpad is made out of glass, I believe. It's a glass trackpad, and yeah, that's really it for the Logitech Combo Touch keyboard. I hope you enjoy this. I hope you've enjoyed this video, and I hope to see you in the next one.